What's going on, everyone? It's Lee here, the rental guy. I'm from the rental shop. Now I'm at home, but it doesn't matter. What matters is that 6 years ago, we started a rental shop from the garage of this house, and we've been building up ever since. And today I bring you a video about warehouse solutions because I've been thinking long and hard about chairs and getting them up onto pallets, transporting them with the least amount of work as possible. Let's get into it. Back to the warehouse. All right, let's think about this for 2 seconds here. I've got all these chairs in the warehouse. But I need the chairs to go up there and there and there. The chairs are on carts, as you can see right here. I don't want to take them off the carts, but I do want them to exist on top of pallets like that. We have our chairs on regular Princess Auto carts. They're just moving dollies. I have edited the wheels in a few of these so that they have wheels that are walking. So what we have here is one of those carts, Princess Auto, whatever, right? So I want to take off 1 or 2 of the wheels, and I'm gonna replace it with a wheel with a brake. Why, you may ask? Because when these chairs go up high in the pallets, we can't have them rolling off. Here I've got a wheel with a brake from Princess Auto. I'm gonna take this one off here and replace it with this one here. So a stack of chairs, you can take the retractable ratchet. I like to use these big guys because they fit well over any amount of chairs, but any retractable ratchet will do. You just clip it under the underside, pull it around, turn it around, and then clip the underside. Give it a few ratchets. Now you're really able to manhandle these chairs. So this is how I strap them up to have them in my box trucks, and when I'm always moving them around, they must have a ratchet on. I'm keeping these stacks of chairs at 40 chairs because that's easy enough for me to push into the box truck. A regular stack of chairs should have 50 on them. I'm doing 40 because that's what I like. So what do I do? Well, I've thought about this long and hard, many different ways, and well, I want the carts to go right on top of the pallets. So how do I do that? So I made something here. We'll see if I like it. What's up, guys? We're building a pallet. So what we have is a regular pallet here, and I got this cut. So it's 4 feet one way, 40 inches the other way. We're just gonna put it on top of this pallet here. Simple, we're gonna take some screws and we're gonna screw it down. Okay, now I wanna take the piano hinge and I wanna install it on the pallet. So I made something here. We'll see if I like it. So the chairs just roll off. So it's a pallet. We put a board on it. Goes like that. Let's put some chairs back on it and then put it up in the racking. Okay, version 1.0 was cute. You can see the little ramp there. It straps up. It's great, but it's kind of annoying. So I've made version 2.0. Instead of having a full down ramp, I actually bought an aluminum ramp that can butt up to it. So we're gonna try that. So I'm gonna continue building these pallets to make them so that they have flat bottoms so that rolling carts can get onto them. So they're strapped on there. Now we've got something that we can put up on the shelves over there. Now, I have created multiple ideas through the many years that I've been in business, and some of them worked, some of them didn't. You know, having everything on wheels was great. Using retractable straps to make the chairs stick to the rollers was great. And so hopefully this will be one of those working ideas. I'm sharing it with you because I went through the trial and tribulation of, you know, buying all these weird ramp stuff to inevitably getting to this ramp here and this one. And this is what I'm going to use unless it doesn't work next year. As you can see right here too, in an 8-foot span there, you can only fit 2 pallets, right? So if you're stacking tables on top of pallets, then it's a little bit hard to double them up. But what I've done here on these ones is I've cut them down and made shorter pallets. And look, I can fit quite a bit more across there just by using smaller pallets that are the size of tables. So that's one thing as well. Everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, well, you know what to do. Watch another one. I've got a bunch of other warehouse videos right here, and I plan to make more in the off season as I experience these efficiencies, my trials and tribulations. As always, we'll see you on the next one, and as always, you stay classy.